Welcome to class 7 mathematics classes. Today I am taking your revision of exercise 1E, that is from integer chapter. Revision of exercise 1E, integer chapter. So few students were having problem in question number 2. How much minus 7 less than minus 1? So here you can see it is asking how much this less than this. So let us change the question for understanding. How much 3 less than 5? So are you getting me? How much 3 less than 5? Then this number is greater than this number, isn't it? 5 is greater than 3. So if we subtract 3 from 5, then we are going to get how much is this 3 is less than 5. So similarly here with the negative numbers we are working. So how much minus 7 less than minus 1? So we can write according to question minus 1 this minus this is a negative number, so put it in bracket. Now next step, you open the bracket, minus minus plus, and here minus into plus minus, that means we have to subtract. 7 minus 1 is 6, the bigger number is 7 and the sign is plus, so here is the answer. Therefore minus 7 is less than minus 1 by 6. Question number 4. What must be subtracted from minus 1 to get minus 19? Here you can see what must be subtracted from this. Something should be subtracted from this to get this much. So we can apply algebraic method here according to question minus 1. Suppose minus x is subtracted from minus 1 to get minus 19. Now we have to find the value of x. Okay, minus 1, this comes this side and becomes plus 19, minus x goes that side and becomes plus x. Okay, when numbers or any figures are going from one side to another side, then the sign will be opposite. Like minus is going that side, it becomes plus. Okay, so now this side, minus into plus is minus. 19 minus 1 is 18, bigger number is 19 and the sign is plus, so here is plus only, here x. Therefore 18 must be subtracted from minus 1 to get minus 19. Now question number 6. Add the product of minus 13 and minus 17 to the quotient of minus 187 and 11. So here what we have to do, we have to add the product of these two and we have to find the quotient of these two and we have to add. Okay, this product and the quotient of this we have to add. So according to quotient, so product, first let us find the product of minus 13 and minus 17 is equals to minus 13 into minus 17. So this both are negative number, minus into minus is plus, and 17 13 times is 221. You can do in rough this multiplication. And quotient of minus 187 and 11 will be equal to minus 187 divided by 11. So here you divide 187 by 11, you are going to get 17. Okay, and the sign is minus 17. Now adding here, now adding, we get how much? This 221 and this negative number, this is a negative number, minus 17 we are adding. So we'll get 221 plus into minus 17. So this is a subtraction. When you subtract it, you are going to get 204. You can see here this one. Okay, now question number 8. A man starts from his home and drives 169 kilometer to the east, and then 192 kilometer to the west. How far is he from his home finally, and in which direction? Now here, first of all, let us write according to question. The distance covered by a man to the east is 169 kilometer. So let us write distance covered by a man is equals to 169 kilometer east. Okay, and then 192 kilometer to the west. So east and west are opposite directions, so that we can use here minus sign for west. Okay, so the total distance will be 169 kilometer east plus 192 kilometer west. So this we can write 169 plus minus 192 kilometer, because this is in west direction, this is in west direction, so that is why we are writing negative sign here. Okay, and this one will be 169 minus 192. Okay, 192 minus 169, we are going to get 23, the bigger number is 192, so here the sign will be minus 23 kilometer. So minus indicates west, so therefore the man is 23 kilometer to the west. Yes or no? Therefore we can write the man is finally 23 kilometer to the west from his home. Question number 10. Radhe bought 4 pairs of jeans at rupees 1256 each. Very simple question. How much he pay for the jeans in all? This is a very simple question. Now, according to question, 4 pairs of jeans at rupees 1256 each. Therefore, Radhe paid for the jeans in all will be equal to how much? 4 into 1256. So if we calculate this one, we'll get 5024. Okay. Now question number 12. Question number 12. A class of 36 students contributed rupees 540 for the picnic. Out of these 7 students decided not to go. They were returned rupees 490 each. What amount? Question is asking what amount was spent on the picnic. Now, if we read the question properly, we can understand 36 students contributed rupees 540, okay, and 7 students decided not to go, and they were returned rupees 490 each. Now we have to find what amount was spent on the picnic. So let us write according to question, okay, 36 students contributed rupees 540. Therefore, total money contributed will be equal to rupees 540 into 36. So if we multiply this, we'll get 19,400, 19,440. Okay, so again this 7 students returned, were returned rupees 490 each. Therefore, total money returned will be equal to rupees 490 into 7, and if we multiply this one, we'll get rupees 3,430. So now we can easily calculate what amount was spent on the picnic. If we subtract this amount from this amount, we will get the amount spent on the picnic. Therefore, the amount spent on the picnic will be equal to this rupees 19,440 minus rupees 3,430. So if we subtract, we will get how much? Rupees 16,010. So this was your revision class. So if you have any doubts, then you can ask me. Thank you.